Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to activate and configure the tipping feature in the FoodOrd Pro plugin. Together, we'll go through all the settings step by step to allow your customers to easily add a tip when placing an order. First, let's open the FoodOrd Pro tipping page. On the page that opens, you can enable or disable the tipping feature. In the second step, we have the successive tip percentage. Let's open the front end right away. Let's add any product to the cart and proceed to the checkout page. As you can see, the percentage values are displayed here. On the checkout page, they are shown to your customers as ready to use suggested buttons. You can add or remove options from here as you wish. The next feature is the default selection, which determines which option is automatically selected when the page loads. In our example, the no tip option is selected by default. If you prefer, you can set it to any of the other values available here. Our next feature is the custom amount option, which allows customers to enter a custom tip amount here. If you don't want to offer this option, you can disable it here and save the page. The final feature is the fulfillment mode, which determines for which order types the tipping feature will be active, delivery orders, as well as for pickup orders based on your preference. And that's how the FoodOrd Pro tipping system works. See you in the next video.